Here from the House of Shayaa, and this is...
It's Jordan here from the House of Shayaa also. You can edit it, you can just click.
Yeah.
So we're here today for unboxing of our new packages.
Yes, there was a little accident on Saturday. So first of all, we did a live on Saturday, and unfortunately, because we were playing music in the background, I should have known, YouTube has muted some parts of the video. So there's a little bit where me and Jordan are just having a little chit chat, and she's talking about her hair history, and it's muted. So I have to apologise on that one, so we're going to do that again. But also, if you've watched that video, we do show that we are repairing our old hood dryer. So I'll let Jordan take over from there.
So yeah, so we repaired our last hood dryer, but we're still in need of a new one. So we're going to unbox it for you today, and I'm going to go into the next shot right now. You're a bit blocked off though.
Wait, to the right.
To the left, come in a bit.
These bitches.
You're pushing me out of the way. You're pushing the chair the whole time.
Right, what? I'll lean like this. Shall I lean in?
No, I'm gonna record it so you can see.
Have you pressed record?
Testing.
1, 2, 1,
Yes,
2.
I've pressed record.
This is Shy for Russia, the illegal alien. Goodbye.
This is Jordan. Who's Jordan again?
It's my girl, you get permanent.